Hello guys, welcome back and hope you all are doing good. So today's video topic is if your PC or your laptop going into sleep mode automatically or randomly. In this video, I will share a setting you can apply to fix this issue. So let's start. First, open control panel. So click on the search box and type control and you will get this result control panel. Click on it. Now in the view by section, select small icons. After that, click on this power option. You will get this kind of result. So this is the power plan which I am currently using, balance. So click on this option, change plan settings. Now here you can see these are the options. First, turn off the display. So you can change the time or you can select never. It's up to you. You can also choose for 5 hours or 4 hours. Select never. And the second option is put the computer in sleep. So you can change it as well. Select never. Select never. Okay. After that, click on save changes. Again, go to this option, change plan setting. After that, click on this option, change advanced power settings. Now here you will get this option, turn off hard disk after, expand this option and change the time, type 0, so this will select never. Okay, so you have to change this option to never, then click on apply, then click on OK. Cut this window. That's it. So this is how you can fix this. This is all for the video. Thank you.